Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to install the official MIUI ROM on any Xiaomi phone. I'll be using the Redmi Y1 Lite to demonstrate, but the process is almost the same for most Xiaomi and Redmi devices. Right now, my phone is running a custom ROM called Lineage OS. I want to go back to the stop MIUI ROM. If you are switching from a custom ROM or if your phone is stuck or boot looping, this guide will help you. To begin, you'll need two things on your computer: the Mi Flash tool and the official fast boot ROM for your phone. You can download the Mi Flash tool from Xiaomi's official website or trusted sources like xiaomiflashtool.com. For the ROM, open your browser and search for your phone's model, followed by the word Fast Boot ROM. You should find Xiaomi's official download page or a site like myfirmware.com. Make sure you download the Fast Boot ROM, not the recovery ROM. The Fast Boot file will have a .tgz extension, while recovery ROMs are .zip files. After downloading, extract the files. First, extract the Mi Flash tool. Then extract the Fast Boot ROM. Some ROMs are compressed twice. If you see a .tar file after extraction, extract it again until you get the folder containing the ROM files. Copy and paste the folder into the root of your C drive for best results. Rename this folder to something simple, like MIUI, to avoid issues with spaces in the folder name. After that, make sure your phone has at least 50% charge. Also, check if your bootloader is unlocked. If it's not, you'll need to unlock it using the official Mi Unlock tool before continuing. Now, power off the phone. Then, hold the volume down button and power button together until you see the fast boot screen. Once you are in the fast boot mode, connect the phone to your PC using a good quality USB cable. On your computer, open the Mi Flash tool folder. Before opening the Flash tool, create a new folder here and name it Lock. Without this folder, the tool may show an error during flashing. Now, open the Mi Flash tool. If it asks you to install drivers, go ahead and install them. After that, click Refresh. Your phone should now appear in the device list. Now, click Select and choose the ROM folder you placed in the C drive. At the bottom, you'll see three options. The Clean All option will flash the ROM, erase everything, and keep the bootloader unlocked. Save User Data will flash the ROM while keeping your apps and files, but it can cause problems if you are switching from a custom ROM like me. Clean All and Lock will erase everything and lock the bootloader again. For this tutorial, I'll use Clean All. It gives the smoothest and most stable result. Once you choose the option you want, click Flash. The process will take about 5 to 10 minutes. Do not disconnect the phone during this time. When the process is complete, the phone will restart automatically. After it starts, you'll see the MIUI setup screen. Complete the setup and sign in to your accounts. Your phone is now back to the official MIUI ROM. That's all for this tutorial. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more tech guides. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.